Okay, Android developers, we've been talking to you a lot recently about modern Android development, and now it's time to find out, what is your MAD score? From how many Jetpack libraries you're using to what % of your app is coded in Kotlin, the MAD scorecard shows just how modern an Android developer you are. Here's how to get it. First, in the Android Studio plugin marketplace, search for MAD scorecard. Second, install and run it. Finally, check out the results to see how you stack up against modern Android development technologies. On your scorecard, you'll get a special MAD character based on your maddest skill. And when you're ready, you can share that scorecard on Twitter. You can learn more about the scorecard and how to get yours at this link. Once you're done, come check out the episodes in Mad Skills, a series of videos and articles we're creating to show you how to use the latest technologies in modern Android development to make better applications more easily.